Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mr. H. In this video, I will talk about how to calculate probabilities of mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive events. But first, let's take a look at the important concepts that we need to recall. Alright, so the very first thing that we need to remember is that both mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive events probability problems use the conjunction or, which also indicates that the calculation of the probability will involve the mathematical operation addition. Mutually exclusive and non-mutually exclusive events is about adding probabilities. Alright, so to represent mutually exclusive events using a Venn diagram, so basically set A and set B, since they are disjoint, definitely they won't overlap. However, for non-mutually exclusive events, there will be overlapping section. This part right here explains the part of the formula for non-mutually exclusive, which is the intersection of two sets. All right. Now, I want to talk to you about how the probability is calculated. So, for mutually exclusive events, so we use this formula: probability of A or B equals probability of A plus probability of B. This symbol right here is union. So I recommend that you watch my other videos about set operations, okay? So that symbol means union, and conjunction used or. And for non-mutually exclusive events, we use this formula. So we'll have probability of A union B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus the intersection. All right, so maybe you're questioning why we need to subtract the intersection. The reason why is because of double counting, right? We don't want to count the elements twice. So to further understand this concept, let's take a look at the first example. A single die is rolled. Find the probability of rolling a 2 or an even number. So first of all, or. So that means we're going to be adding probabilities here. Next thing is you need to take note of the event, which are rolling a 2, say it's event A, and rolling an even number, so say it's event B. All right, so for event A, rolling a 2, so there's only one 2, right? Or we can say there's only one side that has these 2 dots, right? So that's it, only 2. And then for the second event, which is say event B, we need to list down the even numbers. So from 1 to 6. So we have 2, 4, and 6. Correct? All right, so if you take a look at here, you see that this outcome appears on both events, right? And if you recall the formula earlier, so this type of probability event is a non-mutually exclusive because they have this overlapping section if you're going to represent this question using a Venn diagram. To calculate the probability, we can use the formula probability of A or B equals probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. So probability of A. So event A, we only have one favorable outcome, which is 2. There's only one favorable outcome. So we have 1 over 6. That's the probability of event A. Plus probability of event B. So there are 3 favorable results. So you got 3 divided by 6, the total number of possible outcomes, minus their common. So there's only one, right? Definitely only one, because set A has only one outcome. Okay, so we have 1 divided by 6. So 1 over 6 plus 3 over 6 is 4 over 6, minus 1 over 6, which is 3 over 6, right? And 3 over 6 is 1/2. So this is the answer. All right, is this question interesting? You let me know by leaving a comment below. All right, let's take a look at the second example. There are 11 chemistry books, 9 world literature books, 5 history, and 15 mathematics books on a shelf. If Maria selects a book at random, then what is the probability that she selects a history or a chemistry book? So we were given 4 different types of books, and we need to take note of the total. All right, so there are 11 chemistry, 9 world literature, 5 history, and 15 mathematics. So the total, that's 40. Next, we need to take note of event A. So there are 2 events mentioned. So selecting a history, we can say it's your event A. And selecting a chemistry book, that will be event B. And basically for this one, this is a type of mutually exclusive. All right, so if you're going to represent this question using a Venn diagram, definitely you will have circles that do not overlap, because this event is disjoint. So if it's history, then it's just history. If it's chemistry, then it's just chemistry. All right. So that's why this question is an example of mutually exclusive event. Because of that, we will be using the formula probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. The straightforward addition. Right? And then probability of A. So what is the probability of selecting a history book? There are 40 books, and the number of history books is 5. Plus, again, we have a total of 40 books, and there are 11 chemistry books. So probability of selecting a chemistry book is 11 over 40, or 11 divided by 40. And we simplify this, 16 divided by 40, 2 over 5. And in percentage, it will be 40%, decimal 0.4. All right, are you ready for the challenge question? So grab your pen and paper, and here's your question. If you know the answer to this question, please remember to leave a comment below and share your insights. And if you also think that this video is insightful, please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a single video. Once again, this is Mr. H, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.